Hello students, today we will discuss on the topic arithmetic progression. Before going to the topic, let's take some examples. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers. What is the similarity between these numbers? Let's see. Now in these numbers, when we add 1 to each number, we will get the next number. Suppose 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are the numbers. When we add a constant number, that is, which is 3 here, we will get the next number. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3 equal to 15. These types of numbers is called AP or arithmetic progression. Now let's take this example. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is an arithmetic progression. Why it is arithmetic progression? Because we add a constant number, that is 3 here in this case. We will get the next number. Now suppose here 9 minus 6 will be 3, 15 minus 12 will be 3, or 12 minus 9 it will also be 3, 6 minus 3 it will be 3. This is the difference between two consecutive numbers. Now the difference is 3 between two consecutive numbers, which we can denote by D, or this is common difference is D here. And what about 3? This is the first term, so we can denote it by A. So in this arithmetic progression, A is 3 and D will be 3. Now let's take one more example. Suppose 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. This is the table of 6. Now see this. Here, this will be the first term. That means first term will be 6, and difference will be 18 minus 12 will be 6. This is the common difference, or you can write it common difference. Now, suppose in this arithmetic progression, we can find any terms using this formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general term of any AP, general term. Suppose we need to find the fifth term. Suppose A5. A5 will be A. In this example, A will be 6, that means 5 plus n means 5 minus 1 and denotes number of terms. Now D, in this case D will be 18 minus 12, that is 6, so D is 6. So 5 minus 4 means 1, 4 into 6, that means 5 plus 24, that means, here it will be 6. That means 6 plus 24, it will be 30. So that means the fifth term is 30. So here it is 30. Suppose we need to find the 101 term. Suppose this is 101, A 101. So it will be A plus, if here is 101, you have to write here 100. That means 100 minus 1 into D. So that means A plus 101 minus 1 into D, that means 100D. So it will be A means 6 plus 100 into, and value of D is here 6, that means 6 plus 600, so value will be 606. So we can find any terms using this formula. Now you have to memorize this formula. Now how this formula comes. Let's find out. Suppose the first sum of an AP is A and the common difference is D. That means next term will be A plus D. After this, next term will be A plus, that means it will increase by D. So next term will be 2D. Next term will be A plus 3D. So in this example, first term, that is A1, will be A. A2 equal to A plus D. Similarly, A3 equal to A plus 3D. And A4 will be A plus, here it will be 2D. So A plus, it will be 3D. Do you find any relation between this? If here is 3, here will be 2. If here is 4, here will be 3. If here is 2, here is 1. Now suppose A9. A plus, if here is 9, here will be 8D. So therefore an will be A plus, here is n, so here will be n minus 1 into D. So this is the general term of any AP. Let's do this. 3, 6, 9, 12. We have to find the 21st term. Now, here 3, 6, 9, 12. So, this will be the A. So, here A will be 3. And what will be D? That means 12 minus 9 equal to 3. So, therefore, we need to find the 21 term. This is A21. So, formula of nth term is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. So here A21 will be A plus 21 minus 1 into D. So here value of A is 3 plus 21 minus 1, that means 20, and value of D is 3, that means 3 plus 60, that will be 63. Let's do the second example. So here given 10, 8, 10, 8, 6, 4. Now it is decreasing. So here A will be 10. That means the first term is 10. And D, since it is decreasing, D will be negative. So suppose 10 minus 8. So 10, 8 minus 10, it will be negative of 2. So therefore A51 have to find out. A51 will be A plus 51 minus 1 into D. That means value of A is 10 plus 51 minus 1, that means 50, and value of D is minus 2. So 10, 50, 2 is 100, so it will be negative. So 100 minus 10, it will be minus 90. Let's do the third example. Here in this question, 4, 4, 4, 4. So first term, that is 4, and difference it will be, so 4 minus 4, that will be 0. Therefore by looking, we can say next term will be 4, next term will be 4. So 60, a term will be also 4. But we will use by this formula. So A60 will be A plus 60 minus 1 into D. Value of A is 4 plus 60 minus 1 will be 59, and value of D is 0. That means 4 plus 0, it will be 4. Now take exercise 5.1. Now in this question, we have to find the first 4 terms. Now in the first question, A is given 10, D is given 10. We have to find A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now see, here A equal to 10, that means this is A1. Next will be A2. Here it is plus 10. So terms will be increasing. So we have to add 10 by this first term, so next will be 20. So third term will be A3, again 10 more, that will be 30, and A4, that will be 40. Now see the next example. A equal to minus 2, D equal to 0 in this question. Now D is 0. That means terms are not increasing nor decreasing. So first term A1 will be minus 2 and A2 will be, that means minus 2 plus 0, that will be minus 2 only. That means same, A3 will be minus 2 plus 0, that will be minus 2 only. So on, A4 will be minus 2. Let's do example number 3. Here given first term is 4 and D is given minus 3. Now here A1, that means first term is given 4. Now A2, now here it is negative, so terms will be decreasing by 3. That means here it will be minus 3, that means it will be 1. Next terms A4, A3 will be, again it will be 3 decreasing, so 1 minus 3 means that will be minus 2. Similarly A4 will be, again it will decrease by 3, so next will be minus 2 minus 3, that means it will be minus 5. So let's do another example number 4 and 5. Now in example number 4, A is given minus 1, D is given half. So here first term, that is A1 equal to minus 1. So A2 will be minus 1 plus half. So minus 1 plus half means what? So minus 1 plus half, that means minus half. So how it is? I will show you. Minus 1 plus half. Instead of minus 1, you can write minus 2 by 2 plus half. Minus 2 by 2 means minus 1. So 2 LCM is 2. In up minus 2 plus 1. So it will be minus 1 by 2. So similarly, next we will find out A3. A3 will be, now A2 is minus half, so minus half plus you have to add half. So minus half plus half, it will be 0, and A4 will be, now this term is 0, so 0 plus half, it will be half. Now let's given A equal to 1.25, this is example number 5, and D equal to minus 0.25. Now here A1 equal to minus 1.25. So A2 will be, since it is minus, it will be decreasing. So here if you add minus 0.25, so it will be minus 1.50. So next will be minus 1.50. If we again add minus 0.25 with this, so we'll get minus 1.75. So A3 will be minus 1.75. Now it is decreasing. Similarly A4 will be minus 1.75 plus 75, again 0.25 I'll add, so it will be 2.00, that means it will be 2. Now these are APs. Now you have to find the first term and the common difference. In this example, this is the first term, so first term A or A1 you can write, so it is 3, or common difference, that means D, so 1 minus 3, that means D will be 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2. In this example A, that is first term, this is minus 5, and common difference D, this minus this, or you can do this one minus this one, 7 minus 3, that it will be 4. So in this example A, first term, that is 1 by 3, and common difference D, this one minus this one, you can do this one minus this one also, we'll get the same result. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that means 3 is the LCM. 5 minus 1, that will be 4 by 3. Now take this example. Here A, this is the first term, so this is the first term, and common difference D will be 1.7 minus 0.6. So 7 minus 6, that is 1. 1 minus 0, that is 1.1 is the answer.